What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change gender in Skate 4. To do this, go to the appearance menu, then switch over to body. There isn't a direct gender toggle in the game, so everything is done by adjusting your build settings. Since I'm using build 4, start by tweaking the chest slider, bring it up slowly, then move on to the hips and increase those as well. As you adjust these sliders, you'll see your character's body shape begin to change. For my setup, I'm using height 3, build 4, chest at 70, then I have hips at 20 and back at 10. Once the body looks right, go ahead and change the hair, then adjust the face and eyes. These small changes make a big difference and help the character look more feminine overall. After tweaking everything, your character will clearly look like a female skater. That's how you change your gender in Skate 4 using the appearance settings. Hopefully this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.